Today we will talk about how does protein benefits body. Benefits of protein. Protein offers a variety of benefits to the body. One of its most essential roles is in building and repairing tissues, including muscles, bones, skin, and hair. In addition to this structural function, protein plays a vital role in numerous bodily processes like metabolism regulation, hormone production, and immune system functioning. Protein also helps individuals maintain healthy weight by reducing hunger pangs and cravings while increasing feelings of fullness. It may even help boost metabolism as it takes more energy for the body to digest protein than carbohydrates or fats. Additionally, consuming adequate amounts of protein can help preserve muscle mass during weight loss efforts. Beyond these physical benefits, sufficient protein intake may also support cognitive function by improving memory and alertness. Furthermore, research has shown that consuming adequate high-quality proteins such as nuts or fish are associated with improved heart health markers such as blood pressure and cholesterol levels. Overall, adding enough lean proteins into one's diet is essential for optimal health outcomes throughout life. What is protein? Protein is an essential macronutrient that is important for building, repairing, and maintaining tissues in the body. It is made up of amino acids, which are the building blocks of protein. There are 20 different types of amino acids that can be combined to form proteins. Protein plays a crucial role in many bodily functions, including muscle growth, immune function, hormone regulation, and cell repair. The body uses protein to build and repair tissues such as muscles, bones, skin, and organs. Protein also helps maintain healthy hair and nails. Apart from its role in tissue repair and maintenance, protein also provides energy for the body. It takes longer to digest than carbohydrates or fats, which means it stays in the system longer, providing a slow release of energy throughout the day. This makes it an excellent option for people who want to feel full for longer periods without consuming too many calories. Overall, protein is an essential nutrient needed by the body to function properly and maintain good health. Essential building blocks, amino acids. Proteins are important building blocks of the body that play various roles in different biological processes. They are composed of long chains of amino acids, which are joined together by peptide bonds. There are 20 types of amino acids that can be combined to make proteins, and each type has a unique chemical signature that determines its properties. Amino acids act as precursors for many essential molecules in the body, such as neurotransmitters and hormones. Additionally, they play a crucial role in building and repairing tissues like muscles and bones. Amino acids also help to transport nutrients throughout the body, regulate metabolism, and support immune function. Some amino acids cannot be produced by the body itself and must be obtained through dietary sources. These essential amino acids include histidine, isoleucine, leucine, lysine, methionine, phenylalanine, threonine, tryptophan, and valine. Consuming an adequate amount of protein-rich foods is crucial to ensure that your body has enough building blocks to maintain optimal health. Repair and growth, muscles, hormones, enzymes. Protein is essential for repairing and growing muscles. When you exercise, your muscle fibers experience microscopic damage that triggers the body's repair process. Protein provides the building blocks necessary for this process and helps to create stronger muscles. In addition, protein can stimulate the production of hormones, such as testosterone and growth hormone, which also play a role in muscle growth. Hormones are crucial for regulating many bodily functions, including metabolism and immune function. Protein can help to balance hormones by providing the amino acids needed to produce them. Enzymes are another type of protein that plays a vital role in digestion and other metabolic processes. Without enzymes, our bodies would not be able to break down food or perform many other functions necessary for survival. Overall, protein is an essential nutrient that supports muscle repair and growth while also regulating hormones and enzymes in our bodies. Whether you are an athlete looking to build more muscle or simply want to maintain a healthy lifestyle, it is important to include adequate amounts of high-quality protein in your diet. Immune system support. Protein is an essential nutrient that our body needs to function properly. It plays a crucial role in building and repairing tissues, producing enzymes and hormones, and supporting the immune system. The immune system protects our body against harmful viruses, bacteria, and other pathogens that can cause infections or diseases. Protein helps strengthen the immune system by producing antibodies that fight against these invaders. Protein also supports the production of white blood cells, which are crucial for fighting off infections. These cells recognize and attack foreign substances in the body to keep us healthy. Additionally, protein is important for maintaining a healthy gut microbiome, which can also impact our overall immune health. A balanced diet with adequate protein intake is essential for a strong immune system as well as general health and well-being. Overall, incorporating sources of lean protein such as chicken breast, fish, tofu, or lentils into your diet can be beneficial for your immune system's effectiveness at keeping you healthy. Healthier body composition, weight loss, fat burning. Protein is a vital nutrient that plays a significant role in building and repairing body tissues. It is also essential for maintaining muscle mass during weight loss, which can lead to a healthier body composition. Protein helps reduce appetite and promotes feelings of fullness, which can aid in weight loss by reducing overall calorie intake. In addition to its benefits for weight loss, protein also helps with fat burning. When combined with exercise, protein can increase the number of calories burned during physical activity while preserving lean muscle mass. This is important because muscle tissue burns more calories at rest than fat tissue does, which means that having more muscle can help boost metabolism and promote fat burning even when not exercising. Overall, incorporating adequate amounts of protein into your diet may be beneficial for achieving a healthier body composition. Including lean sources such as chicken breast, fish, or plant-based options like beans and lentils could help you achieve your goals while keeping your meals flavorful and delicious. Sources and amounts of protein intake. Protein is an essential nutrient that helps the body to build and repair tissues, including muscles, skin, hair, and nails. Additionally, protein plays a key role in various bodily functions such as immune response, hormone production, and enzyme activity. Therefore, it is essential to consume an adequate amount of protein daily. The amount of protein required by the body varies depending on age, gender, and physical activity levels. It is recommended that adults consume at least 0.8 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. However, athletes or people who engage in regular intense exercise may need higher amounts of proteins ranging between 1 to 2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Sources of dietary protein can be animal-based such as meat, poultry, fish, eggs, or plant-based sources like legumes, nuts, seeds, whole grains, soy products, which are also high in fiber, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, providing additional health benefits when consumed along with proteins. A balanced diet consisting of both animal and plant-based proteins ensures adequate intake while minimizing the risks associated with excessive consumption from one source alone. Conclusion. In conclusion, protein is an essential nutrient that benefits the body in many ways. It helps to build and repair tissues such as muscles, bones, and skin. Protein also plays a significant role in the production of enzymes and hormones that regulate bodily functions like digestion, metabolism, and immune response. Moreover, consuming protein can aid weight loss by reducing hunger levels and increasing feelings of fullness. This is because protein takes longer to digest than carbohydrates or fats. Additionally, research has shown that a high-protein diet can improve bone health by increasing bone density and reducing the risk of fractures. In summary, incorporating adequate amounts of protein into your diet is crucial for optimal health. Whether you are an athlete looking to build muscle or simply want to maintain overall well-being, consuming enough protein will help you achieve your goals.